Okay, so Nguyen appear in front of you. Okay, in my video clip, this is my study room. I'll let you know that. I prepare my video clip now. So Nguyen appear in front of you. Okay, I'm prepared to come my bedroom to use my internet and then come back with my happen now seminar today. Australia, let all rejoice, for we are young, young and free. We golden soil and well for toy. Our home is yours by sea. Our land's above in nature gifts of beauty rich and rare. In his three page, let every taste to have known Australia. In joyful strength, then let us sing upon Australia. Beneath our red and southern cross, we toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renown of all the lands. For those who come across the sea, we bow and plan to share. With color let us all combine to a broad Australia. In joyful strength, then let us sing upon Australia. Good morning, Australia! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! That's it. I'm Nguyen from my bedroom. I turned off my internet. I'm coming to see you soon. Just few seconds, please. I'm preparing to turn off my internet in my bedroom. Got it? I'm going to see you soon. Just few minutes. I'm waiting for internet shutting down. And I come back in my study room. Okay, wait few seconds. Few minutes wait. Yes. Thank you so much. Nguyen, prepare up here in front of you now. That's it. Now, have a look. The time. Yeah, it's 5 minutes past already. So you got 25 minutes to now is 12:35 minutes past. Today is Thursday. Okay, I bring my camera in my studying room. In this, yeah, also. Thank you. Hopefully everything is okay. Good. Come on, I can't see properly. Yes. Come on. CIA, FBI, and special ASIO agent correct my satellite for me. Go up. Yes. I can't see properly. I'll let you know that. Okay. Don't be silly, stupid idiot with me. Okay. Now. In here, let me know that I am giving you 5 questions in year 5. in Australia. It means you are boy, then girl. You answer this question for me only 5 minutes. One question, only 1 minute. If you can't do it in 5 minutes, sorry sir, I can extend to another 5 minutes. The maximum is 10 minutes. No more than that. Okay, remember that. This is year 5 in Australia, mathematics. This is in question in here. Only write a question for you. Boys and girls in Australia and in Vietnam and around the world. This is primary school advanced level. For special kids, we call that genius. The topic today, right in here, is called indices. And logarithm. That's it. And I let you know that year 5 or year 6 primary school, the age of 10 years of age or 11 years of age. Question 1. Simplify. 2 dot, open bracket, a the power of 5, close bracket, the power of half, multiplied by open bracket, a negative 2, close bracket, plus 2 over 3, multiplied by a negative 1, close bracket, negative 5, 6. That's, sorry about that. That's question 1. Q2. Simplify. 2 dot, open bracket, Ix, close bracket, y, negative z, multiplied by open bracket, a the power of y, close bracket, z, negative x, multiplied by a, z, close bracket, x, negative y. That's question 2. Q3. Simplify. 2 dot, open bracket, 4 fifths, close bracket, the power of half, multiply by 3 1/3, the power of half, multiply by 3 over 2, close bracket, the power of half. Can you solve this problem, question 3? Question 4. Also simplify. 2 dot, 0.1 the power of a, multiplied by 10, negative 5, multiplied by 0.01, negative 4, everything over 0.1, the power of 5. Equal what? The last question, Q5. Simplify. 2 dot, 1 over root 4, the power of 1 divided by a, negative 4 over 3. Equal what? I'm checking question, the last question 5. Simplify 1 over root of 4, 1 divided by, missing. Let me see, 1 over 4, no, my writing is indifferent. I have to check that again because this is a test for genius kid in Australia. Okay, I'll let you know, year 5 and 6 in primary school age of 10 or 11 years of age. Okay, 4 root of 1 divided by, root of 3, I, negative 4. Equal what? Check the last question this hard. 1 divided by root of 4 divided by 1 over 3 root of I negative 4. Yes! That's it. Remember, 1 question, 1 mark only. And only, I'm coming with this question in Australia and USA. This is a test, year 5 and 6 primary school. The topic in this is logarithm. Remember, primary school, the age of 10 or 11 years of age, boys and girls. Do this question for me. I'm challenging you in Vietnam. Because when some Vietnamese people come and have a look, and they told me that, sorry sir, your teaching in year 9 in Australia equivalent to year 6 in Vietnam. And now, I gave you year 5 in Australia. A special school for smart kids, we call that genius kid. And Australian government are searching and looking for these children to bring to a special school in university. Have a look, question 1. Question 2. Yes, have a look. You got mobile phone, just have a look. Question 3. All the simplify. Question 4. That's it. Question 5. That's it. I bring back. Okay? So I give you exactly only 5 minutes to solve. Each question under the test, only 1 minute. The maximum if you are crying and begging the teacher, says, sorry sir, this is too hard. It is only year 5 and year 6 primary school. We are only 10 years old, sir and madam. Yes, we give you 2 minutes if you can't solve. This is only genius kid in Australia can do it. Remember that I'm talking in front of you. I'll let you know, I'm only 15 minutes left. This program apply only 100,000, million thousand, 10 of million children in primary school in Australia. Only 1 and 2 boys and girls can solve this problem. We call him or her genius student. Have a look. I give you 5 minutes only, solve it. I'm challenging you, mom and dad, next teacher, the professor in Vietnam. Do that for me. And even in Australia. Remember that I'm counting time now. I left you only 5 to 10 minutes only. 5 questions, 1 question, only 1 minute. I'm looking for my hand watch now. Do it. This is a test. Repeat again and again. Repeat again and again. This is teaching. We are Australian government looking for genius kid children in Australia.
I mentioned to you, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million children in primary school, the age of 9, 10 or 11 years of age. You have to bring your birth certificate. We test your dental test. We test your blood and hair. You cannot cheating with us and sit down for that exam. We give you only 10 questions in mathematics. One question only 1 minute. If you are begging us, we got you 2 minutes. That's it. And if you pass 10 over 10, we give you a scholarship, $100,000 to bring you, if you are from Vietnam, to Australia to study for free, scholarship. This is only, remember, year 5, year 6, genius student can answer this. My name is Nguyen. Thank you. Answer for me. That's it. I give you 1 more minute. So that. And I gave you solution. Remember that I gave you only 1 more minute to do that job for me. This is the real test. We are searching, looking, finding the genius student in Australia, in Vietnam, around the world. If your kid in year 5, year 6 in primary school, the age of 10 or 11 years of age, not 12. If you can't answer 10 of question this correctly, we, Australia, give you scholarship, bring you from Vietnam straight away to Australia. We give you food, we give you accommodation, everything. Your mom and dad can come here to work and look after you. But you got scholarship to receive training from our professor and bring you to university. And when you're 13 years of age, you got Bachelor of Mathematics. And when you turn to 18 years of age, you got PhD. And you're 20 years of age, we give you the title associate, and professor of mathematics when you're 20 years of age, and you become professor of mathematics in Australia University. Got it? Now, I give you solution. The time is already past. Okay? If you can't answer, if you are cheating with mom and dad, we fail you. We kick you out of Australia. I give you solution question 1 now. Do not play cheating with me. FBI, CIA, ASIO agents. Simplify. Have a look. Question 1. I, the power of 5, close bracket, the power of half multiplied by I negative 2, close bracket, plus 2 over 3, multiplied by I negative 1, close bracket, negative 5, 6. Solution. This question 1 mark. A. Echo. I. 5 over 2 multiply I negative 4 over 4 over 3 multiply. Sorry, that's the solution, okay, please. Five over 6 equal I 15 negative I plus 5. The whole system you divide by 6. I, the power of 12 over 6. We simplify that. Therefore, the answer is I, the power of 2. Underline. And you write answer, I and S. That's it. That's solution question 1. Have a look at my timetable. Yep. So you got 1 mark. Ready, please? Yeah. This, you can write like that, or you can write, therefore, the answer is A square, and you put in the box like that and write I and S. That's it. The answer is A square. Question 1, you got 1 mark. I bring you my solution to question 1. Remember this question, the kids only found in year 5 and year 6. Solution, question 1. The answer is A square. Oh, that's, yeah, simplify. Okay, I'll bring back. Okay, we got only 5 minutes left. I am giving you question 2. That's it. Good luck, boys and girls in Vietnam. This is only year 5 and year 6 in primary school. If you can't answer this question, please contact with Australia Embassy in Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi or everywhere in Vietnam. They test you. And if you pass, they bring you to Australia with scholarship. They give you reward. Because you are genius student. Question 2. Simplify. 2 dot. Open bracket. I, the power of x, close y, negative z, multiply I, power of y, close bracket, z, negative x, multiply by I, the power of z, close bracket, x, negative y, equal what? Now, solution. This is another 1 mark. A equal I x y negative x z multiplied by I y z negative yx multiplied by I z x negative z y. Remember that z, or you can buy z like that. You're allowed to do that. Okay, nothing to do. I mentioned to you that. Have a look. A, yeah, multiplied by I z x negative z. I have to check my eye, please. Question, yeah. Answer. I x y negative x z multiplied by I y z negative y x multiplied by I z x negative z y. That's it. Next. I x y negative xz plus yz negative xy plus z. Okay, you're allowed to do like that. X, that means z. X negative y z. I told you that z and z you're allowed to write like that. Next, a the power of 0. Remember that a the power of 0 according to the law equal 1. So it's put in the box. Right answer A and S. That's the answer. That's it. Boys and girls, copy down for me the solution question 2. The answer is here, 1. Excellent. That's it. That's question 2. Yeah, I'll bring my camera, I'll show you question 2. Remember under exam, this question only 1 minute, or maximum is 2 minutes, no one, okay? But usually you have to do 1 minute per question. For 5 questions, only 5 minutes. Maximum is 10, but if you got 10 minutes, you haven't got the scholarship. You passed, but you haven't got scholarship. Maybe Australia Embassy or in Hanoi Hotel or Ho Chi Minh City give you money or give you present, but not bring you to Australia because your solution is too slow. We need 1 question, 1 minute only. That's it. The answer question 2. Simplify. The answer a to the power of 0 equal 1. So the question number 2 is 1. Okay, next. I give you solution question number 3. That's it. Enough time today. If I got time, I give you more solution. Okay, time already. Sorry, sir. I gave you 1 more. Question 3, okay? And hopefully, yeah. Question 3, Q3. Simplify. Open bracket. 4/5. Close bracket. Power of half. Multiply by 3. 1/3. Power of half. Multiply by 3. 2. Close bracket. Power of half. I need your answer. Solution. Solution. That means my answer. I give you solution. A equal open bracket 4/5, 4 the power of half multiplied by 10 over 3 power of half multiplied by 3 over 2 power of half equal 4/5 multiplied by 10 third multiplied by 3 third or 3/2 open bracket the power of half. Next, open bracket 4 the power of half equal 2. Or therefore the answer is 2. That's it. That's the solution of question 3. Remember that? Question 3, the answer is 2. And you answer in 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes, no more. If you got 2 minutes, we passed you, but you haven't got a scholarship from us because we need 1 question, 1 minute only. So that's solution. So you got 3/3 mark already. Picture right, excellent. This is year 5 and year 6 advanced 10 years in Australia. If you gonna, we bring you to Australia, and we are education department, the government gave you scholarship to go to Australia. This is time.